Whether printing plants, abrasives manufacturers, paint shops or computer chip producers, manufacturers from a wide variety of sectors that produced exhaust air with solvent emissions find an innovative solution for cleaning their exhaust air with the SmartRTO system from Krantz Clean Air Solutions. The basic version consists of 3 system sizes for a maximum exhaust air volume flow of 5,000, 10,000 and 20,000 cubic meters per hour. It is also possible to install additional components, for example for heat recovery. But how does this regenerative thermal oxidizer actually work? The solvent-laden exhaust air is introduced via an integrated fan into the ceramic heat regenerator of the SmartRTO. Here, the exhaust air is heated with subsequent oxidation of the solvents in the combustion chamber. The cooling of the cleaned exhaust air takes place in the second ceramic heat regenerator. The cleaned exhaust air leaves the system through the outlet nozzle. By cyclically switching the flow direction by means of the shutoff dampers, the air streams in the ceramic heat regenerators are heated or cooled, thus ensuring high thermal efficiency. The initial commissioning takes place before delivery. This means that on-site assembly can be done quickly. In addition, the SmartRTO can be transported by road, train or ship due to its small footprint and relatively low weight.
Their new product called SmartRTO, for me it's a very interesting solution because it could be produced, installed and commissioned at the workshop of Krantz and then delivered as a compact plant, ready mounted directly to the end customer. It reduces as far as possible installation time and commissioning time on site.
The main advantages are the low assembly requirements, that you get a system that is pre-assembled and ready, that you only have to hook up what you need, and that you also have no downtimes, waiting times. It can be planned, not much potential for surprises.